Hello and welcome back friends to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows 10 login password. This will work for any type of local account like administrator or standard. If you have a Microsoft account, then the options will be to go to the Microsoft website. As you can see, I have a local account here, that is HP, and we'll be using command prompt to change the passwords. So to bring command prompt, we'll use this accessibility button. As you can see, this brings about this dialog box, and we need to change this to command prompt so that we click on the accessibility button to bring the command prompt application. So here are the two files that we need to rename. In C Windows System 32 folder, we need to rename utilman.exe to utilman1.exe and cmd.exe to utilman.exe. So now press shift and click restart your PC. Once this option appears, click on advanced options, click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options, and then go to system image recovery. Click on cancel, click next, then advanced, click on install a driver, click OK. And as this file browser opens, go to this PC and search for the drive where your Windows folders is located. So for example, if you go to C drive, you will find that nothing is present. Go back. So accordingly, you can search for the drives in your PC. As you can see, mine is located in the E drive. So I will go to this folder, Windows, then to System 32, then scroll down and right click on utilman application and rename it to something else like utilman1. Right click on the empty space and press refresh to see the change. Then again scroll down, you can see cmd here, then right click and rename it to utilman and press enter. Close this window, click cancel and close it and click continue. Your PC will restart. Once in the login screen, click on this accessibility option menu and you can see command prompt appears. You can type who am I to check whether the account is a system account or local account. You can see there is only system account here, and now you have to follow these commands one by one. First, to list the accounts in this PC, just type net space user, press enter. This will list all the accounts in this PC. Next, you type the command net space user and give a space and then type the name of the local account you want to change the password for. Here I will be giving the local account, that is HP. Then give a space and type asterisk. Give enter. If you want to make the password blank, you can give enter here, again enter to confirm. As you can see, the command is successfully completed. Now you can close this command window and click on this arrow to log into your account. So I hope that you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press on the bell notification for more such video. So meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.